Bon voyage, Ate Bam. It's hard to find the right words to say goodbye to someone who has meant so much to us. You haven't just been a housemate, you've been our guide, our comfort, our laughter on tough days, and a mother figure who always knew how to make a house feel like home. From the late night talks and shared meals to your endless support and wisdom, your presence has been a blessing we'll never forget. Your kindness, patience, and warmth have left a mark on each of us. And while it's tough to see you go, we're so excited for the new journey ahead of you. This isn't goodbye, it's just see you soon. Wishing your adventure peace and happiness in every step of the way. You always have a home in our hearts. With all our love, your flatmates. So yan, enjoy mo yung mga memories natin na mga pinagsamahan. Actually, marami pa yan. It's very hard to make this video, but definitely, we're going to miss you. May mga social media naman na, so stay connected to us. We love you and take care, Tibam. Enjoy. Si Ate Bam, akala mo part din siya ng mga...
Lagi kayo. Malita ka na. Dito.
Pati sa mga challenger, affected ang lola nyo.
Hanggang sa nagbigay na ng huling mensahe ang Breka.
Yung journey ko dito sa PBB, it's really not about winning or having that title. It's really about self-discovery and